Hi, my name is Jay Goodis, and I am the co-founder and CEO of Tax Templates Inc. Today, I'm going to walk you through TTI's salary versus dividend for one shareholder worksheet. This worksheet optimizes the integrated corporate and personal cash outcomes of remuneration strategies for one shareholder, single or married, using salary, eligible dividends, other than eligible dividends, capital dividends, or a capital gain strip. The worksheet supports multiple objectives to target key cash, income, or tax amounts for nearly any scenario. Whether targeting results for the corporation or the individual, everything is done at the precise marginal rates of both taxpayers. The worksheet can target net cash to the individual to clear a shareholder debit balance, target an individual net income amount for credit qualification, target taxable income to stay below the highest personal tax brackets, bonus down to the SPD limit, maximize tax-free dividends, liquidate corporate cash, remunerate until the OAS starts being clawed back, and more. These scenarios test different remuneration strategies using salaries, dividends, and more to meet the target objective and maximize the after-tax corporate and individual cash of the shareholder. We do this by integrating corporate tax details such as NERD2H, ERD2H, GRIP, and AAI, while accurately quantifying CPP, EI, and employer health taxes. The worksheet also supports personal tax details by taxpayers for amounts such as TOSI, carry-forward balances such as RRSPs and donations, transfer payments such as the Canada Child Benefit, and TTI's proprietary optimization algorithms to maximize net cash. Before using the salary versus dividend worksheet, we highly recommend becoming familiar with TTI's personal tax scenario worksheet and TTI's corporate tax scenario worksheet. A training video for each of these worksheets is available on TTI's YouTube channel.